What's up, what's up, what's up, everybody? Please excuse the mess in the garage. There's been a couple of tools we've been getting, all stuff. We've been getting a bunch of stuff and just doing stuff. So yeah, garage is a bit of a mess, but it's okay. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, we do have a BMW i8 concept Spyder, 12 volts for the kids. Tamaya has been bothering me for so long to go ahead and do an unboxing video. So I was at BMW the other day, had to get a key for the race car, you know, because you need a new key for it, and I was there and I got a great deal on this thing. I seen it, my boy turned it on for me. Rex, huge shout out to you and just BMW, you always bless me, man, thank you. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this thing out and start unboxing it. I have no idea what I need to put it together. I don't think it comes together, but yeah, we're gonna unbox this with Tamaya and go ahead and put it together and see if she enjoys it. I think she's gonna love it, and yeah, just welcome along for this video, guys.
I think it's huge.
Alright, Tamaya, ready to do your unboxing?
Oh! What's up, guys? Yeah! Look at you, get so big, yo. Your pants might get tight.
He's still one is up.
There's two, baby girl.
Two.
Yoshi! I forgot!
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. You to them. Look at his face.
Donuts, Krispy Kreme.
Oh, Miss Saga, you went all the way up there?
Yeah.
The car go all the way up there?
No, Maz. My car can go that far. Don't be rude about my car. Come to Maya.
Look, guys. Oh.
Look, it's that big box.
Is it this one?
No, the bigger box.
Who fingered this?
It's Tamaya's.
To my what?
We'll see when we open it up. You guys want help?
Yes, please.
You guys want help? You're gonna play yourself.
Yes, please.
Oh, jeez.
Daddy's too strong for this.
Wait, are you gonna squish?
Mom, push it in over there.
I'm squished up.
Oh, goodness.
Is it this one too?
No, that's Daddy's present.
Yours is such a little box.
Oh, you be quiet.
Your mug is such a little. Oh, that's gonna be scary.
Okay.
We're probably dragging
Yes.
it.
I need a blade, I think.
There's a next box in here.
Hey, you're gonna crush my wing.
Oh.
Sit on the chair.
I am so ready for this one.
Pardon?
Remember to start?
Yes, I remember to start recording, baby girl.
But you have to say welcome to tomorrow.
Come pull this here, Tamaya.
Welcome to tomorrow. Oh, I feel like I'm falling.
No, they can pull it.
How you?
Alright guys, so we have the car there. Everything is out and pretty much ready to be assembled. Do my sister Kara helping me, she's right there. I don't know if she wants to be on camera or not, but let's get this going. Alright guys, so we're finally gonna put it together. We're gonna start with the front wheels. There's a ton of stuff when you do move it. I'm doing it on the grass, I want to scratch it. A ton of stuff underneath here. You should probably remove before you do this. So that's what we did. So the first instruction for the front wheels is you have to, yeah, so there you go. Obviously you get this thing with the manual. We're on time lapses to get this done. It's taking too long already, I'm tired. Alright guys, I want to show you guys how to do it properly because this thing is a pain in the So yeah. The way you do it is when this is like this. You take your 14, which is your small washer, put it on there. Obviously, focus. Small washer goes in. Take your wheel. Oh, I'm gonna drop that. Take your wheel. Wheel goes in. Get your other small washer from your kit. That goes in there. You then take your little clip. There's holes in this thing. And then, so you see the hole right there. You just want to push it through the hole. Don't stab yourself like I did. Once it's through, there you go. You then take off your BMW hubcap. I believe they're all the same, but nope, not all. Oh, maybe they are. But I go like that after. So put your hubcap on, press it down into place. It all snaps nicely, and then they're labeled, Kara. Oh my God. Okay, so they're labeled. I didn't know that, but labeled like right. Didn't know that. It's awesome. So with that, what I realized is you have to actually put it in like that, start, and then the rest of them, you turn it, you have to push it in like that. So you turn it, push it in more, and popped out. But you gotta push it in, and then push down, and that'll help get it in place better. And as you can see, boom, Bob's your uncle. Okay, onto the rear wheel, Kara. How do we do that? Alright guys, so here's instructions for the rear wheels. You see his wheel, this black thing, and then, yeah, I'll show you anyways. Okay, turn the car on the side here. Sick. And then, does it matter? Oh, this is left. This is the last one we need. Pull off the white thing, please. Okay. Oh, what the heck is, yeah. Oh, it's all this grease. Alright guys, so take your rear wheel, of course. Right one for the right side. And then, dang it, wait, is the wheel for it? Yeah, okay. Whew. Okay, so wheel first. What? Oh, what the? Oh. Kara, put your foot here to hold this up, please. Thank you. So it goes rear wheel, as you can see, push it down, and it goes to that, the big washer, and then, so 13 is the big washer, and then 12 is, the same as before, there's a hole, push it through. Oh, shoot. Stop laughing, Kara. It's not funny. And then, can't do this. Oh my God. Stop laughing.
Papa, you good? Daddy bought you a car? Whose car is that? Your car?
That's through.
Your car, Papa?
And then the hubcaps. So before, snap it in place. And then take your foot off of it now, Kara. Push that down a bit. And then before, hubcap goes in. Okay, don't do that, obviously. Pardon?
Is it the right label?
Yeah, it's the right side, but it's cold right now, so my hand's hurting. Hey, you guys get the point. I'm gonna do the other side now. All right, guys. So next we're doing is a steering wheel. So with this, take this beautiful thing, and Kara, come hold the camera. Please. Someone come hold the camera. Kara, I don't know.
Where's the tripod? Say the tripod, my boy.
You know how to fix it, right, Kara? Yeah. So all you do is connect your wire. and then take these two and you'll put it through the sides. So on the side here there's holes on both sides, you'll put it through. Just tighten her down. Okay, so then on this side, as you can see, it is zoom for you guys. That goes in there, you just gonna tighten it down. So we're gonna do that and we'll go on to the next step. Alright guys, hold this piece here. Alright guys, so assembling batteries next step, pretty simple. Literally just plug it in. And that's done. And the next step would be the seat. Let's look at that. Alright guys, so next step is putting the seat in. As you can see, it does have the lock and unlock. You can see that. So, and with that on the back here, there are the two tabs. Alright guys, so with that, you're gonna put the back seat in the tabs. You're gonna push it in on both sides, and you're gonna have this thing flat in line with the unlock. You're gonna go ahead. So you push it down so it stays in place, and then lock it, and your seat is locked in place and secure. You guys put the mirrors on. Pretty simple, straightforward. Mirrors go on like that because it's a car, of course, and they just slide right in place. Put the mirror. There you go. Other side. And there you go. Your mirrors fold as well. Alright guys, and here's the final product of the BMW i8. So again, power it on. Press the power button here. That lights up. The lights even turn on. Pretty sick. The way you charge it is you'll be charging it through here. Just pull this up. It charges. The mirrors again do fold. On the inside of the door. Why is it making that noise? On the inside of the doors, you see it says press forward. You press forward and the doors open up. Like regular i8 doors.
Alright. You're not going to work. Come on.
Car's really nice. So with this, check when it's on, check the battery level. You go ahead and press that. As you can see, full battery. To go forward, you would press dial forward and give it a little bit of gas. Be careful guys, there's a lot of torque to it. To go backwards, put it like that and press it, of course. On this side here, we do have engine noises. There's another one as well. And on the right side, we do have the horn. Another feature it does have is it does come with a built-in speaker, so you are able to play music. So all you do is your adapter for MP3, plug it in, and then unlock your phone in a second here. And then once it is in, this is the volume, turn it on with a click, and then it's pretty decent sound. For a toy car, honestly, that is not bad. These buttons here, they do nothing, of course, but yeah, this is the i8, guys. This is the i8, guys. It looks, I'm very happy with this. I think the kids are going to enjoy this like crazy. So let's go ahead and get Tamaya and Terry and have them drive around in this thing. Tamaya, ready to drive it?
Yeah.
Okay, hop in, let's go.
Okay. What are you doing too?
Okay, and let's go. Woo! Keep going, baby girl. Okay, go. Somebody go backwards? Go back? Somebody, Papa, watch out, watch out. Go backwards, somebody go backwards. Okay, go forward now. You're a professional driver, wow. Okay, go forward, baby girl. That is so cool. Lights even turn on when she's driving. That is cool. You like it, baby girl?
Yeah.
You're happy, eh?
It goes fast. And I can feel air coming.
Give me gas, baby girl. Ooh. Papa, you're next. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely like it. Definitely like, comment, subscribe. Hey, go pick yourself up a BMW i8 because that is sick. See you guys in the next one, man. Peace.